This 2023 Forest River Flagstaff Classic 529BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 9, Slideout, Colorado Detector, skylight, DVD player, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, awning, oven, external shower, spare tire kit, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Flagstaff Classic 529BH is 9,476 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.